Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, and in today's video tutorial I will be showing you how I made this. Unlike my other video tutorial where I used the offset feature to make the 3D shaker cake topper, this tutorial is more focused on using SVG files with your Cricut. Alright, and before I begin, I'm going to announce last video's giveaway winner that was sponsored by Creative Fabrica website. If you have not yet checked it out, you guys, check it out. It's a website that has a ton of SVG files, PNG files, all kinds of digital files, really cute fonts that you could use for your Cricut machine, silhouette machine, even laser machines, any other kind of crafts. And this is the only website that I know of that once you sign up for a subscription, it's $1 to check it out. All the files that are on the website, you could use them, and they all come with the commercial license, so you could make items out of them and sell them, make money off of the items, and etc. There's a ton of videos on YouTube explaining Creative Fabrica, so I'm not gonna go into it, but you guys, it's really worth checking it out. The winner was randomly selected based on all the participants in the last video. The winner is Tina. This is your comment, and you will be emailed by Creative Fabrica's team to the email that's connected to your Creative Fabrica account. All right, thank you everyone for participating in the giveaway. Also, happy Mother's Day. All right, and I'm gonna begin the tutorial how to use your SVGs on Cricut Design Space. So I downloaded my SVG file. Here it is. And when I open my Cricut Design Space, I'm just going to drag and drop the file right here, and it uploads it. And this is the screen that pops up. You don't do anything, just click save and then insert the image to the Cricut Design Space. And this is what it looks like. So the image is already divided into each individual cut file. I'm just going to resize it. Okay, and each layer I want it to be cut on a different piece of paper. So I'm going to change the colors of each layer. And the way I do it, I just go on the left, click on one, and then I change the color. And I like to match the color of my paper to the color of these images on my design space, so when I'm cutting them, it's gonna be really easy to cut. And once I do this, it's ready to go, and I'm gonna go click make it. And I do like to arrange each individual mat before I click cut, just because the way I like to place my paper. And each setting that I use, I just went off of whatever my Cricut Maker had as a standard setting, and I used a regular deep cut blade. The only thing is that with the glitter, I do change the setting. The glitter cardstock, I put, instead of having it cut twice, I turned that off, and then I raised the pressure to 350, so it just cuts it one pass, and it's really fast, and it cuts it through. And I actually do that to all my really heavy cardstock. Instead of doing multiple passes, I just raise the pressure. for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you have any questions, go ahead and comment below. All the helpful links are in the description below, and check out my handmade shop, www.zhannastar.com. All right, thank you. Bye.